Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, access calendar and pick a date, for example that one. Then click at this button at the bottom right corner over here with a plus on it. And as you can see over here you can customize your event however you want to. You can add a title, choose location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, or for example I will choose 1 hour before, choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also take notes and some other things. When you're done, save your event by clicking at the top right corner over here, and as you can see mine was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping on delete at the bottom right corner and choosing delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!